Model, 65-plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCi 100PS 350 L2H1 front-wheel drive, ready to work with tail lift star-struck potential to be camper. Body, silver, Luton, box. Mileage, 127751. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, has windows already installed and flooring installed to make into a potential camper. Grin bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, reversing camera, 2 keys, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.